Hey, what's up guys? Hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video I will show you that how you guys can connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch to an iPhone. So first up you will have to search for an application named as Merge. Now after searching for this application you will have to install this application on your Galaxy Watch. And if we talk about the size of this application, so this application is 6.6 MB in size. And once the application is downloaded, you will have to open this application on your Galaxy Watch, and after opening it you will have to go into the settings of your iPhone and tap on Bluetooth. Also on your Galaxy Watch you will have to swipe all the way to the right side and you will have to allow some permissions to it. And after allowing these permissions you will have to head on your iPhone for the further process. As you guys can see, now I am allowing some permissions and simply tap on start service now. Now on your iPhone you will get to see an option of your watch. Simply tap on it and now it will connect with a pair code. A pair code will appear on your iPhone and on your Galaxy Watch. Now your Galaxy Watch and iPhone is paired. You will have to install an application on your iPhone for the further process. To download the application, simply tap on done over here and you will get to see an option of install application using this QR code. Simply scan the QR code using your iPhone camera and install this application named as Merge Connect Android Watches. This application is 22.5 MB in size, and once this application is downloaded, simply open it. Now these are the applications that will work on your watch using an iPhone, which include phone call notification and some other features are also available. There are multiple watches available and soon hopefully the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Ultra Classic will also available over here. Currently I am using a Galaxy Watch 7, but the process will be same for the Watch 8 as well. So once the Watch 8 is available over here, you can connect it on your Watch 8 as well. Now I am using a Watch 7 and I have connected successfully this Watch 7. Now the sad part is that this application is now paid. Previously last year this application was completely free as I used it on my Galaxy Watch 7. But now if you want to use this function you will have to subscribe to the monthly membership of this application. Or if you want to try a free trial for 14 days, so that is also possible. So you can try the 14 days free trial to check that how this watch is working on your iPhone. And if you like the app, you can purchase the monthly or annual membership for this application. Also, these are the 3 things that you need to know before installing this application, so make sure to read them as well. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a short video to tell you about that you can connect your Samsung Galaxy watches to your iPhone as well. The process will be same for the Galaxy Watch 8. I am using a Galaxy Watch 7 for this video.